Here is a Honda Fit. Now this child door lock feature is only on the rear doors, not the front door. So let's get started with the rear left door. Open the door and right over there is a switch. All you have to do is just push it down to activate the feature, and now it's activated. I can still open it from outside. However, on the inside, once I close the door, no matter what I do, I cannot open it. Lock, unlock, doesn't matter. So how am I going to get out? I'm going to slide over there and open the right door and get out because we haven't activated the feature over here yet. So let's go ahead, open this door, open the left side door from outside, push the switch back up to deactivate the feature, and that's it. Now it's deactivated. I can open it from outside as normal, and on the inside, once I close the door, if it's locked, I cannot open. Unlocked, I can open, and that's good. Let's repeat the process for the right side door. Exact same process. All you have to do is just push the switch down. The feature is activated. I can still open it from outside, and on the inside, once I close the door, lock, unlock, doesn't matter, I cannot open. So how am I going to get out? You already know it. So if you do have a child in the back seat, make sure you do activate this feature separately for both the doors because you don't want the child to just get out of the car by sliding over to the other side and opening the door. So for now, let's just go over here and open this door and get out. Open the right side door from outside, push the switch up to deactivate the feature. I can still open it from outside, and on the inside, once I close the door, lock, I cannot open, unlock, I can open, and that's good. And that's about it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.